Doppler effect. So always use graph paper, and you have two starting points. Okay, so the first wave, I'm taking it as 9 boxes here. Okay, so you can pick whatever you like. Okay, but I don't have a proper graph paper, so I'm not making do with this. Okay, so that's the first wave front. That's the wave front at the beginning. Okay, do it for both. Okay, so let's say that happened 9 seconds ago, and it's gone out 9 boxes. Second one, I'm going to bring it in to 6 boxes, okay, or whatever you like. Okay, and I'm going from the same point. Okay, same point. For this one, I'm going to move just 1 box to the right. Actually, I'll go 2 boxes to the right, so it's gone 2 boxes to the right. So the source has moved. Okay, and there you go. Okay, source has moved. I'll find my pencil. Use this. That was where the new source was. And then by the time the third one wave is emitted, okay, this source hasn't moved, so we're staying here. Okay, but this source has moved another 2. Okay, and we get this. Okay, and we're looking good. Now we must indicate. Okay, so always label that these are wave fronts. These are like the crest of the wave. Okay, this is the source, and we indicate that it's stationary. This is the wavelength. It's 3 boxes wide. That's the way I've done it. Same on both sides. So it's always 3 boxes wide. The wavelength, and therefore the frequency is the same at all times. Here the source is moving. Okay, so indicated very clearly, moving source. We'll talk about the observer being here. You can talk about another situation. Okay, you've already labeled the wavefront, but here we're going to put in our wavelengths. And the wavelengths, of course, are now 1 box. And over here, we put in our wavelengths, much larger, as we can see. Okay, and now we must explain what's going on. So we say source moving towards. Source moves towards the observer. Wavelength is smaller. Write on your formula. Always get a chance to write on your formula. So frequency is larger. Okay. In the same way, we can explain that. If we're asked to describe the Doppler effect, you're done. Obviously, if you were asked specifically to explain why the frequency is smaller as it recedes, you start talking about over here, and everything is the opposite way around. Okay, there you go.